Hey guys, what's up? I am going to go through my trade reviews for actually just my monthly review for December. I'm at Ed Wonk here. Here are all the trades that I took this month. You can see it's just red. I started out December up 4% or so. According to my brokerage account, this shows like 2% at its peak. There's a little discrepancy there, but I don't really care because what matters is I lost like 8% in December of my trading account. I was on track for my first green year and I messed it up. Talk about over trading, 18 trades, 5 winners, 13 losers. Terrible win percent rate, which I typically don't care about. This is what I care about, this profit factor. Just bad, just a bad month. Mostly what happened was I was trading when I had a few positions on, and I was trading when the market was rather indecisive. Through this, basically, I got stopped out here on a lot of my trades, and I started initiating new trades through these days here, and then it just pulled back again. And also by that time, psychology-wise, to let you guys know, I was thinking and feeling, it was like, well, I'm up 4%. It's only 4%, only. And, it wasn't good enough. And so I kind of went like, you know what, screw it. If it's only going to be 4%, I'm going to try and make it more. And that obviously didn't work out. So I ended the year down, like I did my yearly review on X. I wrote it up. But I ended the year down on like 3%. So yeah, I wasn't too happy about that. And I basically ruined my year in December again, like I've done in the past. But honestly, I didn't deserve it. I didn't trade very well overall. I mean, if you just look at my equity graph, I'll just leave it at that. Let me go over my trades for December. I'll go over my yearly review too, I guess, real quick. Biggest here, my biggest R multiple was 11.13, which was pretty great. It was a Tesla trade. Unfortunately, I only had 3 shares. And then all of these, I took a lot of losses, a lot of stop outs and small losses at the end of the year because I didn't want to start the year with trades that were going to carry on over. So I just opened them and I was like, this is just dumb. So I closed them. I just wanted to start the year fresh. GRR, I got into that one, but then like the next day it ripped 30%, so I kind of missed out on there. They're real. I had a decent gain on here, and I let it pull back, and so I took a small win for that one. Another Tesla trade, I had a small win, so a lot of my losses were much larger than my wins. Right, this R multiple is absolute trash. So this again is something I need to continue to work on. And it really just breaks down to how I'm trading, my execution on my trades. Let me take off December. So let's just look at the year total. Here's everything, I think. 2024. I don't think it's loading is it? 12/30/2024. I don't know why it's, because there's 3 pages. Sorry, haven't done that yet. So quite a few trades. If we go to, again, percent gain here, I was ended the year, this says dead down 2%, but look at this. This just ranges. I started out the year pretty shitty, down 8%, worked my way up to 5%, down, and then I can't get past this 12 to 15% ranges. I'm just up and down. I make money and then I lose it all. I make money and then I lose it all. I make money and then I lose it all. So I'm in this pattern. I need to learn how to protect, when is this? My equity curve. So I took 116 trades, 39 winners, 33% win rate, profit factor 0.83. So, I mean, overall profit, I want at least a 2. This is what this year I'm going to focus on. is really improving my profit factor. You know, percent return and average win rate and stuff like that. That will follow, I believe, this profit factor. But this is what my yearly graph looks like. Like, this is not an equity curve. This is if you're looking at a stock, it's just stuck in a freaking range. Haven't been able to break out just yet. But overall, what I need to do is I need to start taking gains. I need to move my stop losses up earlier. I need to work on anything that inhibits me from putting in stop losses, which is why I'm starting to work with Brokerage Plus and TradeIdeas. So I have everything. I can just put in my orders right there on TradeIdeas. It's automatically done. I don't have to look in TradeIdeas and find what I like and then go log on to Interactive Brokers and then put in my stop loss in my order there. I can just click and go, and I already have it set up. So it's really about making my process more efficient and having trailing stop losses follow, and things like that, and taking gains and putting my stop losses in appropriate spots and getting better entries. I obviously need to change things, and I'm going to do that. I will be focusing on leading names, leading themes. I will be making sure I pay attention, because a lot of these drawdowns here, it doesn't give me, I wish it gave me the month down here. A lot of these drawdowns happen when the market draws down. So I just continue to trade through drawdowns. So point is, I'm going to be more mindful of the SPY and the cues of what it is, where it's going on here, right? When, like, I can almost guarantee you I lose my equity during this. I lose my equity during that. I know for a fact I did that during August, because I was on vacation here. So I know for a fact I lost here. That first initial equity dump, I don't know what happened, but the this one right here, this was August, right? This is July into August, lost it all, worked it up, then lost it all in December. So this right here, I was probably trading, right? It was probably in March or April when it was pulling back. And so it's these pullbacks that I think I did okay on that one. That might have been this blip where I just traded sideways. But these pullbacks are the ones that continue to get me. So I need to be more on my toes and more on my feet and not trade and go for longs at times like this. I need to sit on my hands because cash is a position. I need to sit in my hands when times like that happen. Otherwise, yeah, I mean, that's kind of it. I've been working on my playbook. I'm going through and making sure my setups are more specific to actually how I enter. I'm going to try and trade less. I know I overtrade because I have this feeling I always need to put my money to work, yeah, I put my money to work, right? It's just not working. So I have some internal battles I gotta still overcome, but I'm overcoming them pretty good. I'm getting there. But yeah, that was 2025 for me. It's another year of chop. I don't know. Let's look at my 2023. Down 51% in 2023. Let's go. So that's a huge improvement. I think I got crushed on Tesla. I was like shorting Tesla when it was ripping at this time. Man, that's pretty wild to look at. 191 trades, 67 winners, 35 profit factor 0.74. You know, 190. What did I just say for 20? How many? Oh, I didn't mean to do advanced filters. 191 in 2024. What about 2023? Oh, let me refresh this. Year 2024. 116. 2023. Oh, 75. There we go. Profit factor 0.64. 0.74. See, it's not loading properly. Come on. See, it's not loading properly. Return gain some percent. 2024. Load. I don't know why it's not loading properly. 2022, 22%. That's not accurate. I haven't had a positive year, so something's wrong with this. I wish I could say I had a positive year, but that's not right. This isn't loading properly. Don't ask me why, because I don't know. I don't know. It's not loading properly. I haven't been profitable yet. So overall, that's my 2024 year. And yeah, I'm just going to continue to work my craft. There we go. Down 27% in 2022, 2023, 49%. Profit factor 0.64, 0.85. I guess, relative 0.83. I mean, profit factor was good, was decent, I suppose. But yeah, probably one of my best year yet, that's for sure. Especially because I actually acted like a trader this year. But still not profitable. All right, that's what I'll be focused on. Good luck this year. Do your homework. And keep on keeping on. Thanks for your time. Later.